is a 7-minute, 7-day challenge for you to improve your posture and also develop a stronger core. So it's a really easy routine. You can do this every single day for the next 7 days. You are going to love the results. So all the exercises are standing and no equipment. So if you're ready, let's get started. Here's a preview of move 1. We start with doing 4 of these where we're opening the arms, then we go for 4 just simple knee lifts. So the idea is each exercise has a combination of working your posture as well as a stronger core. Knees bent, tummy tight, elbows to the side, open. 3, and we're going to go 2 and 1. Now hold it here, take the knee up, slow knee drive. 3, let's go 2 and 1, and simply repeat that sequence. So this here is going to, as I said, really help with 2 aspects which we need for better posture, which is a stronger core, and then also working these muscles, especially here, your rotator cuffs through your upper body as well as your upper back. So you can see on the arrow there that represents approximately 50 seconds is how long we're going to do each of the 7 different posture exercise moves today. All right, keep that upper body nice and tall. And well done. Let's have a look at the next move. This time we take the arms up and then we pulse them back for 4. And then we're going to go for doing 4 waist twists. So again, working posture as well as your core. So take the hands up for me in front and thumbs pointing up. Now open as wide as you can, hold it, pulse that for 4. And now arms stay here and then keep the hips still. Just give me 4 of these ab rotations. Thumbs back up and pulse for 4. Then hands back and just do that twist. So keep repeating that sequence. Just make sure that you've got your knees slightly bent for me, tummy muscles pulled in. And I'm going to set this for you as a 7-day challenge. Right at the end of the video, I've done you a little tick chart, because if you do this for the next 7 days, you're going to notice stronger core muscles, but amazing posture as well. All right, so just really pulse those arms back, squeeze those shoulder blades together, come back to the center, give me those ab twists, and well done. All right, so let's now have a look at move 3. So for this one, simply just doing shoulder press, foot 4, and then from there, we're just going to do a straight leg lift for 4. So let's get ready. We're going to start with the arms. So for this one, again, feet hip width distance apart, palms face forward. Take that up. Let's go 3 and take it 2 and 1. Now hold it here, straight leg. 3, let's go 2 and 1. And just keep that upper body posture perfect. So we're in that nice straight line. And we're doing that combination again of working through those postural muscles as well as working those core stability exercises. That's good. And then just draw that up and really focus on keeping those tummy muscles pulled in tight while you're doing that move, and reach those hands up, nice, slow and controlled. And last set with the legs on there. All right, so move 4, we're going to be in a slight leaning forward position, pulling the arms up so you squeeze the shoulder blades together. Then we're just going to take one knee up, so then we're really working the core. If you struggle a bit with balance, do use a wall for support here. So knees are bent, lean slightly forward, draw those arms up. Imagine you're squeezing your shoulder blades together. And now hold it here, just draw one knee in, keep those abs tight, remember the leg that you've used, because then we're going to come back and do the other leg. So again, draw those arms in, and now brace those core muscles and draw that knee up, and just keep repeating that sequence. And these are going to really help to improve your balance, your stability. And this also really helps you to have a healthier spine, because we're reducing any pressure on the joints when we really focus on having better posture, better spinal alignment. And well done. All right, let's have a look at move 5. This time we're just going to draw one arm back as far as you can. Then we're going to do these waist twists. So again, here, really great for posture and through your core. So we'll start with your feet hip width distance apart. Extend both arms out in front. Now draw one back as far as you can. And now take the hands together and just do a rotation, sets of 4, and then again, just draw that back. And what we're doing here by really focusing on your posture, we're really helping your muscles work properly, and this prevents unnecessary strain on your body. And if you're not ready, please come and find me on Facebook, Lucy Squad. It's the loveliest, most positive online community there. All right, that's good. And just keep giving that little twist. Draw those arms back. That's good. Each time you take that arm back, go as far as you can with those rotations. Keep those hips nice and still. All right, let's have a look at move 6 of 7. Palms face up, open and close. And then from there, as if we're just on a paddle board, and we're just going to do rowing for 4. So palms up, open. So let's just get ready. And extend your arms out. Now open them back as far as you can. 4, go 3, take it 2 and 1. Now imagine we're just paddling. 4, go 3, take it 2 and 1. Then again with those arms. So this one is a really lovely standing cardio ab move that you're doing now. That's good. And all these exercises said are what I call posture correction exercises. And just really focus on using your fullest range of motion for me as you open and close with those arms, and keep those core tummy muscles tight. That's good. And as said, this is just a really easy routine you can do every morning, or you could do it in the evening. Just do it for the next 7 days to really improve your posture and strengthen through your abs. All right, well done. So let's have a look at move 7. This one here, we're going to have your palms face down, and then we're just going to open and lift up through the arms. This is great for the upper back. Then we're just going to do a knee drive with arm pull downs. So let's get ready. Arms up, palms face down. Now just keep the arms same height. So we're just doing this rotation. 3, take that 2 and 1, and now draw that knee up. So back to working the abs and the core. Then we're back to those postural correction exercises. So this one's great for working through the deltoids, rotator cuff, through your upper body. And if you want to learn more about just easy little healthy living tips, I've got all my blogs. You can find it on my website. I've got over 50 different easy to read little blogs there, with recipes to motivation. I'll leave a QR code in the stretch part of the video. All right, that's good and nearly done. Remember, just keep that upper body nice and straight for me. And this just goes to show how easy it is just to look after our posture at home. And well done, that is the workout complete. We are going to quickly do an upper body stretch. If you want to grab some water, then hit pause if you need a little bit longer. So now let's focus on those upper body stretches. Take those arms behind, feel that lovely stretch now through your chest. And if you wanted the QR code, you can scan this. It will take you to all my blogs, but I'll also leave the link in the description down below. Let's feel that lovely stretch through your back. And now just take one arm up, feel that through the tricep. We've worked your arms a lot today with these posture correction exercises, and just take that now to the other arm. And let's just go for a lovely side stretch, just because we've worked the core, worked your abs, and now take that to the other side for me. So well done, there is your high five. And remember, what you and I have just done is invest in your future health, and always say, yes, I can be the best version of myself. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow. So you can take a screenshot of this and use this as your tick chart, and do this for the next 7 days, just 7 minutes to better posture.